Apple has finally unveiled the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max after months of leaks, rumors, and speculation. The 6.1-inch iPhone 15 Pro with 128GB of storage costs $999, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max with 256GB of storage costs $1,199, making them the priciest new iPhones ever. When the phones are made available for pre-sale on Friday and go on sale on September 22nd, Apple is hoping that the enhancements are substantial enough to persuade users to pay that sort of money. These are this year's Pro iPhone's key updates and new features. The iPhone has always featured a ring silent switch, but the iPhone 15 Pro finally does away with it. With the action button, the switch has been replaced. By default, just press and hold the button to switch between the ring and silent modes, just like the switch formerly did. The dynamic island will animate and give you a tactile feedback. But a variety of additional options are also accessible. You may program the button to launch the camera, begin a voice recording, execute a shortcut, or activate an accessibility feature like turning on the flashlight or magnifier. This final one is extremely fascinating since it allows you to swiftly do complicated tasks or simply just launch any program you desire. Grade 5 titanium, coupled to an internal framework of aluminum, has replaced the stainless steel in Apple's body design. Although considerably lighter, this should be just as strong. Apple has also trimmed the display's outside edge. The Pro model's display is still 6.1 inches in size, and the Pro Max's is 6.7 inches, but the body of the phone has shrunk somewhat thanks to the thinner bezels. The lighter-than-ever Pro iPhone is made possible by the smaller body and titanium casing. The Pro Max weighs 7.81 ounces, whereas the iPhone 15 Pro weighs 6.6 ounces. Comparatively speaking, the weight of the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max is 7.27 and 8.47 ounces, respectively. The weight difference between the Pro and non-Pro models this year is really just approximately 10%. As was previously reported, all iPhone 15 models now include USB-C ports instead of the Lightning connector. Faster USB 3 connectivity with up to 10 GB of bandwidth is available on the Pro and Pro Max. With that, you can now shoot ProRes video straight to an external disk. Black titanium, white titanium, blue titanium, and natural titanium are just a few of the new colors that accompany new materials. A fresh brushed texture is present in all colors. A new A-series CPU is a requirement for a new Pro iPhone. While the iPhone 15 will use the A16 Bionic first seen in the iPhone 14 Pro from the previous year, the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max will include a new system-on-chip known as the A17 Pro. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.